And welcome back to another video, guys. Today we are doing something really cool that I've been wanting to do on my car forever. I would have done on my other car, but then it died. Now I got myself a 335, and when is the better time to do a performance exhaust upgrade that is custom to the car that you're driving? Yeah, so today we're gonna do that. I'm gonna put air in my tire because my fucking mag is cracked. And by the way, expect the video up for that. I have some solution that I want to try coming up. So today we're heading out to GMS Custom Exhaust shop here locally in Montreal, and I'm really excited to see how good it's gonna sound. I was gonna do Muffler delete, but he said no, don't do that. It's gonna be too loud, too annoying. You're really not gonna enjoy it. So I said, okay, I'll take your word for it. We're gonna install a performance exhaust on the back end, and I think I'm gonna do 3.5-inch tips. I don't know if 4 is necessary, but I think 3.5 would be pretty cool. So before we do anything at all, I'll give you guys a base start, and then I'll compare it after when it's done. So here we go. Now obviously that alone sounds relatively good. I don't know if the camera picked it up or gave it justice, but on its own stock that sounds really good, especially like if you're ripping it. That was only 3,500 RPM, 4,000. This is gonna be so freaking loud. I cannot wait. So yeah, I'm gonna fill up my tire with air, and then we're gonna head straight over. I thought about giving you guys like a in-car before and after sound, so I'm gonna rip it right after this guy crosses the street. Alright, so that was I hit a little over 100. I was at 120. So yeah, it picks up pretty fucking fast. I'm gonna try as much as I can to show you guys some footage of them doing the exhaust and putting it all together, and some cool like effects and shit. So yeah, I obviously want to have a good sounding car. I'm doing this locally. One, I know the guy, he's family. Two, I've seen what they can do, and they definitely can do a good job. Like I said before, they've done it to a bunch of other cars. Mercedes, old cars, new cars, trucks, they literally do it all. I'm really excited. So yeah, let's just fast forward to that time and let's get it started. Exhaust. They're at the end. They already took out my mufflers down there, and now they're welding in the new tips. So I'm gonna go with some black tips, and they're 3.5 inches wide. So I'm just excited to see what it sounds like. I'm so fucking nervous. I have no idea what to expect. Like, it's gonna be really fucking loud. So before you heard the OEM, the stock exhaust sound, I'll play a short clip right now. And now Maria, she's gonna start it up for the first time. Cold start. Well, actually it's a bit warm because I brought it home. Let it speak for itself. Yeah. Holy shit. Holy fuck.
Again?
How high did you go on the speedometer? No, don't do that high. That's way too high.
That's what I was doing.
No, holy shit, don't do that high.
What do you want me to get?
Holy crap, like 3.
But you don't even touch if you want 3.
So obviously that sounds fucking ridiculous. I get her approval. Yes. Yes.
Yep.
It gets my approval. Literally what they did is a resonator. They do they removed the muffler and they replaced it with a resonator, and that alone, this sounds like a fucking monster, more than what it already was. A simple resonator added on to the car makes it sound 100 times better. Without further ado guys, I'll catch you guys in the next video. I gotta go take some pictures. Peace.